everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. It comes to us with a weird noise coming when you're trying to brew a shot. So when I test the machine, I found out like this solenoid valve, the three-way solenoid valve, this one, it's broken. So I just replaced it. I put the machine back together and tested, and it works perfect now. So let's go ahead and test it with the espresso shot. I don't like actually to test with the single shots, but this is what I had with this portafilter. Actually, this machine comes here for service like 6 months ago, and we did a lot of stuff to it. This is not the right amount of coffee. That's why I don't like to test with these single shots. Let me replace that. Okay, let's see that I recalibrate the grinder. Okay, that's better. Sounds normal. Everything is normal. And now the customer can recalibrate his machine as he likes. But it works perfect, no weird sounds, no nothing. And it's giving a good shot. Do it without the shot. See the noise again. Double. Nice. And let's test the hot water. It's perfect. Steamer. Cool. So everything works perfect. Clean itself. Thank you for watching.